First aid. That's right. Is it important or no? Yes. You sure?
Yes.
But it's heavy lah. Just left. You sure you want to bring? Oh. What is this? No helmet, eh?
No.
It's a ball. Other one. Yes. What is this? What's this? No one. Never seen it before.
I have.
Yeah, what is this? What is this?
Did you bring?
For a what mosquito?
No. Why?
This is the thing. You know, in the forest, you got a
Mosquito
lot of mosquito. So the mosquito in the forest usually
sprayer.
no, it's not a sprayer.
Repellent.
Almost.
Mosquito repellent.
Almost right. Yes. So in the forest, the mosquito is very friendly. So whenever you see you guys, he want to nose you and he want to kiss you.
Yes. Kiss in your
Yeah.
hair. Kiss in
He
your
want to kiss
cheek.
you. He want to bite you. So this is used to scare them away. Okay. And this? Frisbee. Plate. That's right. What is this?
The tent.
No. I also don't know what is this. But this is a clothes. A bag to pack clothes. Okay? Another one. Oh yeah. Who's know what is this?
A bottle.
A bottle?
No, it's the sleeping bag.
Yeah.
That's right. Wow. How you know? I also don't know.
Oh.
So this is a sleeping bag. This is just like this is a sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag.
It's very cool in the forest, so you need a sleeping bag. Yeah, listen. So you're gonna sleep in here to keep your body warm all the night. Okay? Sorry. Ada lagi? Okay, what is this?
Food.
Wow, now everyone know. But this is not just a food. This is an instant food. So what does mean by instant food?
Biar lah.
That means you don't need to cook it like how your mom usually do it. You just put in the water, all of it, you just put in the water and then start the fire and it will cook by itself. So you need to cut onion lah, you don't need to put the sugar, put the salt, nothing. You just heat it and then you can eat instantly. It's very easy. So this is few of the things that you need to bring whenever you go into the forest. And one more thing, a very important one. You need to have no, this one.
Flashlight.
No. Yes, you need to have this. This is your life. Not to kill anyone, ah. This is not used to kill anyone, but this is used to start the fire, to make a shelter, or to protect yourself. So this is very important one. But nowadays, we have one item that is, how to say, that I can say is a must need or must bring in the forest. What is this? Try to guess. Come on, try. Any answer? Say anything. Try to guess. What is it? What is the item that you need to bring nowadays? What? Yes! You need to have a fan. I bet you all like so hot, right? I'm not. I'm cool. It's a must now. It's not just for to cool yourself for sure, and then to make your friends envy of you. You have fan. Then, but it's also used to start a fire. How? I will show you later. Okay? So now everyone good.